pictures of all the babies being killed?
These are not innocent Palestinian civilians across the world. When you're looking at the 500,000 people starving to death, are people that should go out there and put a government in place that doesn't go out there and attack Israel on a daily basis. So,
Kids, 6-year-olds, 7-year-olds, 9-year-olds.
They've destroyed more infrastructure in Gaza than they did in Dresden. So that is like
and there's
bombing.
more infrastructure that
They've
needs to be
destroyed more of Gaza than what happened in Dresden.
There's more that needs to be destroyed, and there will be more that gets destroyed.
You want to see them starve to death. UNRWA is what's keeping us alive.
I do want to make sure that we don't give $1, 1 penny to UNRWA, and that it actually be totally abolished.
Why? They were set up in 1948 to serve the refugees of Palestine. That's what they were created for. The UN created it because they were displaced from where they lived.
And the United Nations was moronic for creating UNRWA.
You are heartless.
You can say
Do you
that.
realize how heartless you are? These children are being slaughtered, and now you want to take away the last bit of food and water and supplies, any medicine. Do you want to take the last bit they